Hi students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about an object. Object is one of the important components of a simple sentence. Students, to begin with, an object is a noun, pronoun, or a noun phrase on which a verb performs an action. On which a verb performs an action. Again, students, I will define it. An object is a noun, a pronoun, or a noun phrase on which a verb performs an action. Students, it has two major types: direct object and indirect object. Direct object is the recipient of an action. Recipient of an action. Recipient of an action. The example: David repaired his car. Students, here David is your subject, repaired is your verb, and car is your object. The car received the action. That's why, students, it's your direct object. David repaired his car. Students, what did David repair? David repaired his car. The car receives the action. That's why it is called direct object. Students, another important feature is direct object comes after your verb. Direct object comes after your verb. Students, direct object answers the question what or who. Answers the question what or who. Direct object answers the question what or who. Students, indirect object is the recipient of direct object. Here, direct object is the recipient of an action, but here, indirect object is the recipient of direct object. Students, see the example. Mary gave the pen. Mary gave the pen to David. Mary gave the pen to David. Mary is your subject. Gave is your verb. The pen is your object. And David is your object. Students, the pen received the action and it comes after your verb. This is your direct object. Gave the pen. The pen is your direct object. And who receives or what receives the direct object? David. David is your indirect object. Students, the pen comes after the verb gave. That's why it's your direct object. And David comes after preposition to. That's your indirect object. Students, direct object is the recipient of an action. On the other hand, indirect object is the recipient of your direct object. Direct object comes after your verb and indirect object comes after your preposition. Students, this distinction is very much important. Again, we talked about an object. Object, students, it is a noun, a pronoun, or a noun phrase on which a verb performs an action. Here, direct object is the recipient of an action, while indirect object is recipient of direct object. Students, yeah, again another important thing. Indirect object answers the question to whom or for whom. To whom or for whom. This is important. In direct object, it is, students, the important distinction is what and who. And in indirect object, it is to whom and for whom.